Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Daybetter RGB strips. Now these are the 100-foot LED strips. So taking a look at the box at the back, you can just have places on where you can put them, and then specs on the right side. These are non-waterproof, attention to detail. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Let's get straight into it. So right here we have a remote. 24 key remote, I believe, RGBW, and then 12 colors right here. And then right here you have flash, strobe, fade, smooth, brightness up and down, and off and on button, the eye receiver. It seems like there's an app, so that's pretty cool. And then you have split ended, so 50 feet each, real. And then right here you have a AC adapter. This is rated at 12 volts, 3 amps, pretty good. And then right here you have 50-foot strip here. So that's what the beads look like. Very flexible, obviously, and then they have 3M adhesive on the back to stick on any surface that's clean, which I will be probably sticking these under my new bed. I don't know if you guys know, but I got a new bed, which is pretty cool, and I'll be sticking it under that since I need new lights. And then right here it says satisfied, so satisfactory card, and if you're not satisfied, you can contact them. Then right here you have a user manual, because these are Bluetooth strips, but I believe there's an app. So right here it just shows you how to connect it properly and the control methods. Make sure to clean it, and it's good on glass, ceramic tile. It's not good on rough surfaces. On the back, yeah, so there is an app. It is the Apollo Life app. So that's how to connect it. Very simple on how to use those. I will go ahead and start setting them up now. Remember, each reel is about 50 feet each. I will be trying to use the entire strips, but definitely one underneath my bed. And you can cut these every foot or so. There's like these gold contact pins, these copper contact pins. You can go ahead and cut, and then they'll still work. Yeah, so that's that, and I will be right back once I set it up. All right, so let's go ahead and we plugged it in here. In the back, I don't know if you can see that. We have our little power tower here. I don't know if you can see that, but plug this in here to the IR sensor, and they automatically turn on. Nice. Those look really good. The beads look really good. It's on blue right now. Let's go ahead and get the remote. Let's just look at the colors. Yeah, they look good. We're gonna most likely put it underneath this part, the thick part, or maybe on this inner part right here. I don't know if you could tell. I don't know which side we'll put it on. So that's one strip on my bed, and then the other strip I'll probably have it on my over here on this section, like behind the popcorn machine, and then over here and probably underneath my review table. I'll do that as well, which will be really nice. So yeah, we'll just see how that goes. I'll do a little time lapse too. So it does have a built-in app, which is pretty cool. So you can actually go ahead and do many different things in here. And now we don't really need to clean the surface. It's recommended to clean the surface, but this is like really new, so it doesn't have like dust on it and stuff like that. All right, and then right here, I don't know if you can see that, where this part turns, I'm just gonna go straight down the middle. I might have to go under the bed or something. I don't know, but yeah, that works. Okay. Can't even see the LEDs either. It's really perfect. So let's just keep doing that, and we will be right back. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you what we did so far. We did one of the beds. We went all the way across on that side. I don't know if you can see it because of the lighting. All the way across on the other side. See if we can get this on the camera. Yeah, you can see it. So that corner was really hard to do. And then in the middle, right there, there are legs. So I had to go around the legs. But other than that, it looks really good so far. It'll look really bright in the middle, which will evenly light up the bed. So then I'll go around that way, and then come in the front, and then wrap around on this side, and then go through the back. And if I have extra, then I'll probably cut it off or use it. I'm not too sure. Depends on how much is left. So yeah, that's the plan, and we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of it. I'll be right back. All right, so we basically finished. Let me change it to a different color. As you can see, we went all the way around the entire bed. And we still have like a good chunk left. It's way back there. So we're gonna go ahead and go in the back facing the wall, and we're just gonna double wrap it, and hopefully that'll finish it. Just because I don't want to waste LED strips, especially since that's like at least 5 feet. So yeah, that's where that is right there. So I'm gonna have to move the bed a bit just to get back. So look, that's how much is left. So that's a lot that's left. And I don't want to cut that, so I'm gonna use it to my ability and hopefully have a little shining on the back as well. But so far, that's pretty bright. You can see it for sure. And if I turn off this light here, yeah, that's super bright. So I could basically sleep with this or have this on, put it on a timer or whatever, and then whenever I get up at night, I don't have to turn on this bright light or whatever, get up to get my remote, I could just turn it on. So this is what's left, roughly 1.5 feet left. It's a lot less compared to how much it was before. So I double wrapped it, as you can see, and it basically perfectly matched up with the other end right here. You can't see it, but there's a cutting point right there, which I will go ahead and cut. All right, I cut it. That was super easy, as you can see, so it ends right there now. These are no longer working. The rest of it is trash right here. Don't worry, before you guys say, oh, you wasted a lot, most of this is the back of the adhesive. See? So this is the only part out of my whole bed. It's like 1 foot. Pretty good. We have another strip. We could either use it as backup, or we can use it for this part under my desk and all that other stuff, which I might do, not too sure, because that already took a long time, but who knows, we'll see. But for now, this definitely looks really, really good. I'm definitely loving it. So if you don't have RGB strips underneath your bed and you have enough clearance to be able to see the bottom of your bed, I highly recommend you guys get one of these. If I can find the remote, because I need to change the color. Here it is. It's going to change to red. That looks nice. I'm going to turn off these lights here so you can see it. That looks really good. That actually brightens up pretty much, and it's a dark color, but you can definitely see. Yeah, you can see the rest of my room pretty well. So that's really bright. And then on this part, it glows up even more. Looks really good. I'm 100% satisfied. So let's go ahead and do this. So you have to allow the Bluetooth. Let me go ahead and, so it should be able to just, yep, it does work automatically. You don't even really need to pair it. Change the color. So it's like yellow, green, teal-ish. Yeah, it's pretty fast and very color accurate. You can turn it on and off. That's quick. That's super quick. So that's what it's right here. It's automatically connected. That is insanely quick. So right here you can do white. You can do music mode here, so you can access the library, or you can do your microphone on your phone. So whatever basically music on here that goes there, it'll go to the beat, as you can see. There technically is music mode, which is cool. So you have pulsing colors, so that's really nice. You have a double mixed pulsing. You have red strobe, blue strobe, purple strobe, rainbow jumping change. So it's like a party type pulsing RGB. Nice relaxing one, and you can change the speed of this so you can slow it down. Rainbow 7. Alright, so yeah, you do have timers here too. As you can see, you can do turn it on or off at a certain time, and I'm pretty sure you could just do like daily and stuff like that. So yeah, that's basically the app right there. Highly recommend it. Link is in the description if you would like to purchase. Once again, they are flexible, and I actually stressed the crap out of these on the bottom of the bed, so they're actually really durable and stress free basically, because I've done my corners crazy on this bed. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.